Welcome to Exam Sale. This short guide walks you through the CyberArk Defender PAM exam syllabus so you can plan focused study sessions. The exam is split across 7 domains with exact weights. Configure and manage 20%, account and policy management 20%, install 16%, maintenance and operations 16%, troubleshooting 12%, CyberArk basics 8%, and system requirements and components 8%. Each domain lists difficulty and estimated learning hours and combines conceptual and scenario-based assessments. Use these weights to prioritize study time toward higher value areas. Configure and manage is 20% of the exam, rated hard with an estimated 12 hours of study and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn PVWA and PSM configuration including general PVWA settings, UI customization, RDG integration, PSM connection components, session recording and auditing, load balancing, and PVWA authentication options. You will also master platform and master policy management by creating and duplicating platforms, configuring platform-level password rules, implementing one-time passwords and exclusive access, applying dual control workflows, and managing connection component overrides and platform workflows. Account and policy management is 20. Rated medium with about 10 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment items. This domain covers safe administration and permissions where you design scalable safe structures, assign safe members and permissions, implement least privilege, configure retention and quotas, and map LDAP groups for safe access. It also covers account onboarding and CPM management, including manual and bulk onboarding, the accounts discovery tool, CPM password rotation and verification, SSH key handling, reconciliation issue resolution, notifications, and basic REST API account operations. Install accounts for 16% of the exam, is rated hard and recommends about 15 hours of focused study with scenario-based assessment. You will perform Vault installation and hardening tasks such as primary Vault server installation, running post-installation hardening scripts, configuring Vault firewall and network rules, managing server and recovery keys, and setting up disaster recovery and distributed Vault basics. Component server deployment topics include installing PVWA, deploying CPM, installing and hardening PSM, configuring component to Vault connectivity, registering components with the Vault, and running post-installation verification tests. Maintenance and operations is 16%, rated medium with an estimated 8 hours and scenario-based questions that test routine procedures. The backup and restore section teaches PA replicate backups, full and incremental backup schedules, Vault restoration procedures, database log rotation and archiving, disaster recovery failover and failback testing, and safe level restoration. Monitoring and upgrades covers Vault and component health monitoring, SNMP and syslog integration, license and capacity management, performing software upgrades, rotating certificates, and reviewing system health dashboards and reports. Troubleshooting makes up 12%, is hard and suggests about 10 hours of scenario-driven practice focused on real faults. You will learn how to analyze IDALOG and component logs including CPM PM logs and PVWA or PSM WED logs, interpret error messages, use trace tools to identify network connectivity issues, and enable debug mode for targeted components. The failure resolution portion trains you on fixing account password change failures, resolving PSM session connection errors, addressing Vault synchronization issues in DR setups, handling PVWA authentication failures, and unblocking locked or in-use accounts. CyberArk Basics is 8%, is easy and requires about 4 hours of conceptual and scenario-based study to grasp foundational ideas. This domain explains the core PAS components and their roles, the CyberArk vaulting technology, the security blueprint, communication protocols and layers, differences between local and external users, and object-level security and metadata. It gives you the architecture context needed to understand higher-level configuration and troubleshooting tasks. System requirements and components is 8%, rated medium with an estimated 4 hours and conceptual plus scenario assessment. You will identify supported Windows and Linux versions, map hardware specifications for Vault and components, understand required network ports and firewall rules, Verify storage and memory requirements for PSM. Confirm software prerequisites like .NET and IIS, and review virtualization and cloud platform support. This domain ensures you can plan and validate infrastructure before deployment. Use this syllabus to prioritize study time, focusing first on the 20% domains and the install and troubleshooting sections. Practice hands-on labs and scenario questions. Review logs and configuration tasks, and time your study to match the estimated hours. Good luck and study smart for the CyberArk Defender PAM exam.